Okay, looks like I am live. I think I'm live. I've never just tried to jump on and do a live like this, but lately it's been taking me so long to edit and post things and process. I was just really excited about this deck. So I literally just got home from the post office. I took it out of the bag and opened the plastic, and yeah, here it is. So says not just for brothers, also for sisters. I guess that's me, and anyone in between. So this deck, it's an oracle, and I've been really looking forward to it. It's by Levi Smits, and here we go. So I really like this box, first of all, I'll say that. Looks like it got here across the ocean in pretty good shape. Beautiful palette. Really happy with this palette. All right. And look how lovely this is, this pattern. It's on the inside of the box. And so here's our little LWB and the cards. So I'm kind of anxious to see how this gilding feels. I guess I'll just leave this. Right. Artfully arrange it. Sort of artfully. Oh, let's see. Okay, I should put some things on because it's got crystals. Right, I'll slap a crystal down. That crystal works with this color palette. All right, so let's have a quick look at the guidebook. So this typeface is a little teeny for me, but that's okay. And a lot of suggestions here. All right, I think we'll go back to that because I can just hardly wait to look at the cards. And we'll go back. We'll look at this in a minute. Oh, there's some color illustrations. Very nice. All right, so we've got this little plastic going off screen to get this off as carefully as I can. Now, sometimes these little plastic sleeves bend the cards, but nope, not this time. All right, so here's our back. There's a slight bow, but that kind of thing doesn't bother me because I do shuffle and it tends to come out when you're a shuffler. So here's a close-up of the backs. Really nice. It feels, it's a lovely texture. It's soft, not glossy as you can tell, so nice for those of us who do online readings. And let's have a look at these. I guess that was the bottom card, right? But I was anxious to see this. All right, here we go. Here's Pan. He's a handsome fella. Altar. Tidy. Well, it's not my altar, but my altar tends to be freeform. Peridot, soft. Make sure. These are thick cards. I want to make sure I don't miss one. B, work. That's lovely. With the hexagon, if I got that right. Yeah. Very nice. Very nice. Star anise, one of my favorite spices. Oh, nice with the calla lily. I assume that's a calla lily. Ocean flow. Oh, hello, Delaney. Yep, I love the bees too. Citrine, receive. I also love them. We got some stuff that I really like. Oh, there's the narwhal. Connect. Lavender. Oh my gosh, look at this. How the lavender's in like this beautiful wreath form. I gotta say, these guys are doing it for me. I know that's a brother-to-brother deck, but this sister's loving it. The forest. I'm interested about these containers. Let's go back to look at the, let's go back and look at the ocean. Was it ocean? I think it was ocean. So I assume that there's something about this. Yeah, here's ocean. I assume that there's something about these. Now, he's also done other decks, and so this may be a symbol that's been explored, and I just don't know about it yet. But beautiful. Overidite. ground. The stag, evolve. That's an interesting meaning for the stag. All right, I like it. I'll go with it. Elder, regenerate. Devour. Okay. There's another container for the hearth, warm. I have to say that I love this font. I don't think these are hand printed. I think it's a font that he used. It's lovely. How many times am I going to use the word lovely? We could have like a drinking game on that. Oh, look at the bear. I want to give that bear a hug. A hibernating hug. Where is the pine for protection? Okay, I don't think of pine for protection very often. Interesting. I grew from a little bitty baby a gigantic white pine. It's okay. All right. So many things to think about and associate with what you see. And I think this is going to be an interesting deck for me for building intuition for different meanings. There's cleanse, hide. I read this too fast. I thought it said subcutaneous. Well, subcutaneous would hide things too, but subconscious, yes. And these little leaves, these flowing thing, how it's really carrying through, right? That shape. It's a beautiful shape. Did I talk about this yet? Rose quartz. Let me bring out my rose quartz. One of my favorite palm stones for love. Yep. Self-love, other love, love. Love is good. There's a raven. Handsome looking raven. There's a lot of handsomeness here in this. At least my style of handsome. You know, everybody, beauty is in the eye of the beholder, right? Chase. Not chaste, chase. Observatory, gaze. There's that theme again, now with the purple lavender color. Moonstone for nourishing. Oh, isn't that lovely? Oh, I said lovely again. Hare is such a great name for that animal. Moonwort, open. New moon, start. Waxing crescent, expand. First quarter, act. Waxing gibbous, hone. Full moon, reap. Waning gibbous, introspect. Third quarter, release. Waning crescent, recuperate. So having those moon cards in here is really helpful if you are trying to learn about the different phases of the moon. But also, you know, things happen. It's not always exactly with the moon phase. So yeah, I kind of like that you could pull that as a card at any time of the month or the cycle. Wonder. Look at his eyes with his wings, that matching pupils. Manifest. That is a handsome looking unicorn. Remember. Listen. Create. Oh, beautiful dragon. And complete. Oh, that's okay. So we're really used to the maiden mother crone. So here we have 3 faces of the male. I don't see an age difference, but that was something that kind of popped into my mind, so I may be reading it that way. Because men certainly have different phases in their lives, right? Okay, that is it. How many cards are there? Let's see, does it say? Anyway, I'm super excited about this. Not on the outside of the box. So I'm very happy to have it in my hands. All right, I'm going to take this away so I can pull it close to my little tiny eyes here. So see what I can see in here. It says how many? 44 cards. Oh, good number. I like that number. 44 is good. All right, so here we've got a little bit about what an oracle deck is, the structure that he has created. So this is something that you want to study in any oracle deck. Every oracle deck has its own system, its own shape. So you're missing out on things if you don't study this. And this has got the suit of summer, autumn, winter, and shadow. Suit of the moon and the suit of gods. So, and each one of these has got little elements that you want to study. Okay, some stuff on divination and how to use the deck. Spreads. Use it as altar cards. And the word soothing popped out at me, and I'd have to say, yes, the artwork on this, to me, is very soothing. Orientation. Deck is square shaped. The reason why is the magical number 4 is linked to the Emperor card in the Tarot, which stands for the divine masculine structure and organization. Hence a deck with 4 equal sides. I also like square shaped things, and I wanted it to be a tool you could take with you on the go. All right. Not intended to be read any way other than right side up. Deity work, crystals, plants, moon phases, a note on the guides, and here's our spreads. Nice full color stuff here with that. Well, that's interesting, an angelic cross spread. All right, shedding divine light spread, spiritual respect. And the cards, and then here's our individual card. Okay, and then it's divided up in these suits, I believe. What's happening here? Yeah, that is lovely. Really, I said lovely again. All right, Levi, you're just going to have to accept the fact that apparently lovely is my word for this deck. I think your deck is lovely. And I've got my rose quartz love crystal out here, and I think I'm really going to enjoy this deck. So let's put a crystal on it and say I'm super excited to have this. I'm really looking forward to using it. I will put links in the description below to the creator and his work. I am not sure about the availability of the deck after the Kickstarter is ended. Just in general, a lot of creators do print extra and sell them afterwards, but I just don't remember what he said about this. So that's that. I hope you've enjoyed this little walkthrough. I was super happy to get this, and I'm just happy. So there you go. It's lovely. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye. Oh, wait a second. You know what? We're back. So I started this thing where if I did a longer video, I would do a side quest. And if you make it to the end of my video, you get a side quest. So I'm going to use this side quest deck. And let's see what our side quest for today is. So today is Monday, November the 14th, 2022. So I'm just going to take a minute to breathe here because I'm super excited about this. Oh, wait a second. Perfect. I'm just going to take this broom that I have. How fabulous is this broom? If I think of it, I'll put a link to the broom maker in the description. Just sort of clear my energy here. And we'll get a little side quest for us. Side quest for the collective. Okay. So, side quest. Learn how to make a better airplane. And here's the quote. I have to take it away so I can read it. The moment you doubt whether you can fly, you cease forever to be able to do it. And that's from the fella who wrote Peter Pan. Learn how to make a better airplane. I used to love to make airplanes when I was little. All right, I'm going to go do that. And if you do it, put a little comment below. Let me know how a new airplane turned out. Thanks for stopping by. Bye-bye. Now I'm going. if I can figure out how to turn this off, since I never did one before. Okay, I think this is it. It's alright. I have to take it off the stand. It's gonna be, ugh.